Hi, boys and girls. Good morning and welcome back to another day of Foundations. We have a lot to do and a lot of fun to have, so let's get to it. Get ready to echo. All right, boys and girls, now it's time for our drill sound warm up. Let's get ready. A, apple, A. B, bat, B. C, cat, K. D, dog, D. E, ed, eh. F, fun, f. G, game, g. H, hat, h. I, itch, I. J, jug, j. K, kite, k. L, lamp, l. M, man, m. N, nut, n. O, octopus, ah. P, pan, p. Q, queen, qu. R, rat, r. S, snake, s. T, top, t. U, up, V, van, v. W, wind, w. X, fox, x. Y, yellow, y. Z, zebra, z. Now let's practice the digraphs. W, H, whistle, w. CH, chin, ch. SH, ship, sh. TH, thumb, th. CK, sock, k. Great job. All right, now let's do our vowel extension sound. Are you ready? A, apple, a. E, ed, e. I, itch, I. O, octopus, ah. U, up, Now, boys and girls, we have learned a lot of trick words so far. These are trick words. We cannot tap them up. They're trying to trick us. Let's see how many trick words you know. Let's get started. Number 1, the. Number 2, and. Number 3, a. Number 4, is. Number 5, his. Number 6, of. Number 7, as. Number 8, has. Number 9, to. Number 10, into. Number 11, we. Number 12, he. Number 13, she. Number 14, be. Number 15, me. Number 16, for. Number 17, or. How did you do? Did you recognize all of your trick words? Great job, everybody. All right, boys and girls, so one of the things that we've learned this week is how to scoop a word. Do you remember this sentence from yesterday and the day before? All right, so why do we scoop a sentence? We scoop a sentence so that we can read the word more fluently or like we're talking. You don't want to sound like a robot. Let's take a look at this sentence. The cat is in his bag. The cat is in his bag. So yesterday, boys and girls, we learned how to mark our words. We've learned that any word that has a digraph, you have to underline the two letters that make that one sound, the digraph sound. We also learned that all trick words should be circled. So that, boys and girls, brings us to our review lesson for today. Today, we're going to review how to use sentence frames. So boys and girls, in order for us to learn how to use sentence frames, we must first learn why the sentence frames are shaped the way that they are. So if you take a look at this sentence frame right here, this one is shaped like an L, and it's shaped like an L because it shows us that the first letter of that word will be capitalized. So you see where it looks like a little boot or the letter L where it goes up. It lets us know that this story or this sentence frame will have a capital letter in it. The other letters, or I'm sorry, the other boxes that are just regular rectangles are just for words that will not need capital letters. So the first L-shaped box is shaped like an L because there will be a capital letter there, but the others, there are no capital letters. So we can use the regular rectangle box. And now this little box at the end that's smaller than the other, it's skinnier than the other, this one is only used for punctuation marks. So you can use an exclamation mark, a period, or a question mark. So when I move the sentence frames together, it shows that capital letters are fun. When you put them there, the C, as you can see here, is capitalized. So that's why we need this box, the one that looks like the letter L. We're going to need that one. So we need to use that big L-shaped box whenever there's going to be a capital letter in that box. Now, you may be wondering, well, when do I need to capitalize? Well, in order to find out this, just think of the word mint. No, not necessarily the mint candy, but the spelling of mint. So let's take a look. If you it says capitalize your mint. Now, what does that mean? Well, the M stands for months. So anytime that you're going to talk about the month of the year, you should be capitalizing January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December are all months of the year, and they should be capitalized. The I stands for just that. You always capitalize the letter I. When I is standing by itself, it should always, always, always be capitalized. The N stands for names. You should always capitalize someone's name. Your name, my name, your doctor's name, your mom's name. Always capitalize someone's name, right? Proper nouns like people, places, and things. The name of your school, the name of a store that you may go to, or the name of your family doctor. So always, always, always capitalize those names. The T stands for titles. When you're writing the title of a story, you should always capitalize the title of the story, right? I like Fire Girl. So the title of a book, the title of a story should always be capitalized. And then the S stands for the start of a sentence. You should always begin a sentence with a capital letter. Always, always, always. If you're writing a sentence, always use a capital letter. I don't care what the letter is. If you're starting a sentence, it should always, always, always be capitalized. So now that you know when to capitalize things, we can really work and have fun with our sentence frames. Now, let's have some fun with the sentence frame. Listen to the sentence carefully. Carlo is my friend. Carlo is my friend. What sentence frame should come first? How many sentence frames do I need for Carlo is my friend? All right, guess or think about it and tell me which sentence frame should come in the correct order for Carlo is my friend. All right, now this is what you should have thought of. You should have the L shape because I said Carlo and that's his name is my friend. So I should have 4 sentence frame box and 1 punctuation box. All right, so now let's see what it looks like. Carlo, capital C, is my friend, period. So I'm using the L-shaped box that you see here because Carlo is a proper noun and he needs to be capitalized. That's his name. So I need that in the beginning, and the other letters are not capitalized. So I can use the regular square, and at the end I have to put a punctuation mark there. So I'm going to use that little square to put the period there. All right, boys and girls, let's try another sentence. Repeat this sentence after me. Claire's birthday is in August. Claire's birthday is in August. Now, what sentence frames will I need for Claire's birthday is in August? Think about it. Don't forget your mints. The M stands for months of the year. All months of the year needs to be capitalized. The I stands for I, the letter I when it stands by itself. N means names of people, places, and things. T is for titles of different stories. And S is for the beginning of sentence. So how many sentence frames will I need? You should have said the capital frame, three regular word frames, and then at the end of the sentence, we're going to need another capital letter and a period. The sentence was Claire's birthday is in August. And you have your period. All right, so we need to have a capital sentence frame for her name, Claire's name, and at the end, we said August. So Claire's birthday is in August. The birthday is and in are not capital letters, so they can use the regular sentence frame. And then you need the smaller frame at the end for your period. Now, boys and girls, here's your assignment for today. You should go on Google Classroom, look for the foundation for today. It'll say foundation sentence frame for Thursday. When you click on the link, it'll take you here. Here is the sentence, Liz and Tom are friends. Now I wrote this sentence, but I didn't write it correctly. So I need you to look at the sentence, say the sentence to yourself, and then move the sentence frames in the correct order. Click on the boxes and type the sentence correctly. Remember what we talked about. When do you need to use capital letters? When do you need to use the punctuation mark? So use the correct sentence frame boxes for your assignment today. Have fun, everybody. See you soon.